Hey, what's up guys? I told you I had a surprise package from Thomann coming, and it just arrived.
You on the Hank Coffee YouTube channel, man? Yeah.
Well, here it is. This is my Harley Benton Fusion 2 that I ordered. I believe they call this one a Flame Cherry. Real quick, I want to tell you guys, used to Thomann would give you a $30 DHL option, and it takes this stuff like 2 weeks to a month to get to the United States. What I highly recommend is it costs 70 bucks, but this UPS Express, this thing was here in 4 days. I'm telling you, I couldn't believe it. It didn't even sit in customs. With DHL, this stuff sits in customs for a week and everything. So man, it just flew right through customs and everything. It's totally awesome. It's worth the 70 bucks, all right? I'm going UPS Express from now on. It's like, my God, it gets here just as quick as Musician's Friend or something. I bought the package that comes with the gig bag just because it was $5 more. Let's check this thing out, man. Let's get this thing opened up. Please be light. I can't tell yet. Staples. So basically $5 extra bucks, you get this gig bag. This is a pretty good gig bag too, dude. Thomann brand. Why not pay the extra $5? This is killer. I'm just checking the pockets for money. Just bear with me real quick. This is typical packaging. I've bought 2 or 3 or 4 of these things. I don't even remember now. I lost count. Here it is, sealed. Factory sealed Harley Benton box. Please be light, baby. The 2 Fusions I have are Fusion 1s. They are quilt. Here's the bar and stuff. So anyways, this is the Fusion 2, which is Flame. And my other 2 are Fusion 1s, which are quilt. And I had a roasted maple Fusion 2, but I didn't like it just because it was super heavy. And this one ain't that heavy, so thank God. Let me just shut up until I get it out of here. Dude, this is killer, dude. I love it. I love the color. I'm keeping this one. So here it is, guys. Harley Benton Fusion 2. I got it right here beside one of my Fusion 1s, the Aqua. I don't like the Fusion 2s just because the flame doesn't look as good as the quilt did. But I seen pictures of this. It's the dark cherry flame, and it kind of looks like it's striped. Overall, it looks pretty good. Harley Benton Fusion 2, Floyd Rose 1000, ebony fingerboard that looks like rosewood, but it's not. Lock and nut, Grover tuners. It's got clay dot inlays, which looks awesome. It's got the barrel truss rod adjuster, Roswell PAF copy pickups. I love these, I don't change them. They sound like a PAF humbucker. Coil split, pickup selector, you know, neck, middle, bridge. Tone, volume, yeah. One thing they changed on the Fusion 2s, which is awesome, is they put these slots here so you could get to the tremolo claw. That is why I don't have the back plate on my Fusion 1s, because I don't want to take the back plate off every time I want to make an adjustment. Don't have to pull the back plate off of this one. Yes, that's what the back of the neck looks like. Typical maple neck. These are supposed to come from the factory with Diodario 10 through 46. I don't see the Diodario XL tag that's normally hanging on these. I'm just gonna guess they're still Diodario. Usually they got a Diodario strung with XL something or other tag on it. This was quality controlled by John. Mr. John, did you QC this guitar for me? That's probably why it's awesome. I had John pick it out. All right, this is the package you get with your bar in it. Yeah. I love this color. If you guys can tell me in the comments, here's the Allen wrenches, right? What the hell is this? These came with my other 2 Fusions, and I don't know what it is. It is something with teeth on it. It's not a truss rod adjuster because it won't fit in there. It's for something. I don't know what it's for. So buying guitars online is a roll of the dice because you never know what you're going to get when it shows up. I bought one of these roasted maple that came in and it was like 9 something pounds and just horrible. And I sold it, but this one is great. This one I'm going to be keeping. You'll be seeing this in my live streams and maybe future videos, but I got lucky with this one. The weight is right at 7 pounds. I know I don't have digital scales here. Yeah, I'm pretty good at feeling it out. It's right at 7, 7.1, 7.2, 7.2 max. The brown one that I play a lot, that's probably 6.8. And then the aqua color one is 8 pounds. So as you can see, the weights of these Harley Bentons vary a lot. So you're just rolling the dice. This thing plays and sounds great. Off camera, I took the plastic cellophane off of the humbuckers. Other than that, it's exactly how it came out of the box. It's in tune. I maybe turned the fine tuner just a tad on the 6 string, just beep. Other than that, it was perfectly in tune. It's unbelievable. The QC, the quality control tag on this thing, a guy named John did the quality control on this. So good work, John. This thing is set up perfectly. I don't even use 10s and I don't like them, but John set this thing up so well, I don't even want to touch it. So that's saying something. I set up guitars myself. So it's kind of like I have a if it ain't broke, don't fix it type thing. Let me go through the pickups for you. Toggle down is single coil. We are in the bridge position. Humbucker. Neck position, single coil. Humbucker. Both pickups, single coil. Humbucker. Bridge position, single coil. Humbucker. Neck, single coil. Humbucker. Both pickups, single coil. Humbucker. That gives you an idea of the tonal options of the thing. I thought I would just improvise through a track just so you get an idea of what this sounds like. This stuff's gonna be one take, so if I screw up, I'm just running through it. This thing is awesome. I love it. I know no two guitars are the same, but I got lucky. So I'm not saying all of them are awesome, but you can get lucky. This thing is awesome. Thank you for hanging out, guys. This is it for now. I will see you next video. Take care. See you later. Hey, subscribe and comment and like and all of that stuff. It helps me out with the YouTube thingy. Have a good one.